Hi Dooneytastas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you, and thank you for an amazing 2018. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I hope that you leave in 2018 all of the things that weren't healthy, that weren't joyful, and that didn't make you smile. And I hope that you take into 2019 love, joy, happiness, faith, and all of those things for a prosperous year. So you guys, this video is going to be my final unboxing of 2018. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box and what I topped off 2018 with, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I will tell you that this bag is a bag that I own multiples of in my collection, but I have wanted something in this color since it came out maybe 3 or 4 months ago. So I thought, what better way to top off 2018 than to get a bag in a color that I have been wanting for a few months. So let's get into the unboxing. And I forgot my scissors in the other room, so we are going to use my keys. So anyway, this is a bag that I do own in my collection. And you guys, it is actually a bag that I stayed away from for many years. And I don't know, I thought it was kind of like an old lady bag. So I kind of stayed away from it. And again, I wasn't really a shoulder bag girl. And I just couldn't figure out how I would carry this particular style. So I pretty much just stayed away from it until recently. Okay, you guys, see what we have. And here is my invoice. And you guys, are you ready? Let's see. So good so far. Here she is. So let's take her out, and here she is. Oh my gosh, you guys, let's see here. Wow, I am so excited. All right. I can definitely smell it through the paper, which is always good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather domed buckle satchel in the color steel blue. You guys, I have been wanting to try something in this color forever. Look at how absolutely smooth she is. Definitely a smooth operator, you guys. So again, she is the Dooney Bourke domed buckle satchel in the color steel blue. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how absolutely gorgeous this color is. And I'm going to say this is pretty true to color. It's kind of like a mixture of gray and blue. In my opinion, just as the name suggests, steel blue. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look. And this is very true to color here. I would actually say this is a pretty good neutral tone bag. Even though it does have some blue tones in it, I still think it is a very, very neutral bag. So you guys, I'm going to do a quick comparison of steel blue to denim. So this is the steel blue and this is denim. So as you can see, there is a difference in color, and you can justify having both of these colors in your collection. Very, very pretty. And I also want to compare it to an ocean blue. This is ocean, this is steel blue. This is one of the more vibrant oceans. I've seen some that are more of a muted tone, but this one is more of a vibrant ocean. And then here is the steel blue. Wow. You guys, this is beautiful. I am so, so happy to be able to own this one in my collection. And you guys have seen this bag before on my channel, but if not, I will put a link below of a video where I show you the inside and kind of do a quick review of this bag. And I think that this is the perfect way to top off 2018. Okay guys, so let's do a couple of mod shots. Again, you guys have seen how this bag looks on the body, but let's just do a couple. This is how I normally carry her, which is on the crook of the arm. Very nice and comfortable. You can also put her on the shoulder, and for me, she does not pass the elbow test. I can't just take her and put it on like this, but it's not a huge deal just to throw her over the shoulder. Very nice and comfortable. And you guys, again, this is pretty true to color. I know on the website, I'm actually going to give it to Dooney this time. The website and the actual true color is pretty close. So here is how she looks on the shoulder. You guys, I am going to say that this may be one of my favorite colors. Next to Brown Tomorrow, I'm going to say that this is pretty close. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I hope that these mod shots were helpful for if you are trying to determine if you would like to add this beautiful bag to your collection. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.